Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to walk you through how to manage notifications for comments and mentions on Asana, your 2025 complete guide. Step 1. Let's start by logging into your Asana account. Now that we've done that, you'll want to click on your profile photo on the top right corner of your screen. This step is important as it takes us to the Settings menu, which is the control room for all the notifications. Next up, let's click on the Settings option. The reason for this is to navigate the drop-down menu that appears when you click on your profile photo. From here, you can control all aspects of your Asana account. Now, in the Settings menu, select Notifications. This helps us because it allows us to choose which notifications we want to receive and how often we want to receive them. You'll see a list of options where you can check or uncheck the boxes for email notifications about comments, mentions, and updates. Our final step is to make sure you hit Save Changes once you have set your preferences. Let me explain why this matters. If you don't hit Save Changes, Asana won't remember your new notification settings, so it's a crucial step to ensure you receive the right notifications that you want. And there you have it. You've now successfully managed your notifications for comments and mentions on Asana. It's as simple as it looks. Remember, managing your notifications effectively can help you stay focused and productive. Until next time, keep mastering Asana, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.